Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications of Travel Down. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Settings application. Now scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Tap on Manage Apps. Here in the search bar, type in Travel Down. Click on Notifications option. Now, in order to turn off the notifications, you'll just have to tap on the button of Show Notification. So that is how you can turn off notifications of Travel Down. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.